So I skipped yesterday's video because I seem to be crying too much, and I just don't want to seem like a blabbering idiot. I was pretty ungrateful, you know. I was making really, really good money, and now I'm not. Which, you know, I mean, I'm making probably more a day than a lot of people, but I'm also spending a lot to make that. So I need to readjust things. Found out that, well, okay, let's rewind a little bit. So the affiliated programs are going to cost me some money. They're going to cost me subscription fees for email lists and filters, funnels, things like that. And I can't do that without multi-apping. That's the first thing. First things first is that. Secondly, Rhodey was really good on holidays, you know, like flowers and stuff like that. But it seems to kind of leveled off, and it's basically some of it's a little more than $1 a mile, some of it's at $1 a mile, but it is far away to get there, like 7, 8, 9 miles just to get there, and then I've got to drive another 7 or 8 miles on top of that, which is only 50 cents a mile, not $1 a mile. I sent in an appeal with Doordash. I highly doubt if willingly Doordash will reactivate me. I highly doubt if Doordash will accept my appeal. There is a program that does reactivation, but it costs to get out of Doordash jail. So I'm trying to manage the money part of this so that I can pay my bail, and I'm trying to come up with some type of exit strategy to get out of this hole that I'm in. I have it. I have the money to do it, but I just don't like that. And yeah, I'm the one that put myself here. I'm the one that got angry. I'm the one that called them out. I'm the one that I guess it's I guess you could say it's being self-destructive, because it didn't help them at all, or it didn't hurt them at all. So I was being self-destructive by calling them out on lies and things like that. So anyway, that's neither here nor there. I am having a very, very rough time working one app, and the Instacart route and the shipped route it could be very, very debilitating for me. So that is, I have to take that off the table. Even the Rhodey app might be a little debilitating for me, because if I'm driving 16 for 9 or whatever, it's not going to be beneficial for me. So I'm trying to look at my health. I'm trying to look at the pain levels. I'm trying to look at money per hour, money per mile, gas taxes here in California, cost of health insurance, cost of deductibles, situation I'm in, all of that stuff. And you know, trying to find somewhere and something that will actually work. But I don't know, you know, I am just trying to keep it together. I broke down hard yesterday, which was the main reason why I didn't post anything last night, because I was crying like crazy. I was on the phone with a friend of mine who is extremely supportive, and I couldn't breathe. You know, I was getting these notifications from Doordash, you know, super busy. Got an email, you know, this is your progress on your health stipend, and I'm like, you know, what the hell? It's like, you guys don't even want me on the platform. Why are you sending me this? You know, and it's one more time that you know, it's a double message, you know, and I know they're unorganized. It's just they're unorganized, you know. So you know, I definitely am gonna ignore that stuff for now, and just try and keep it together. So, okay, so this is an interesting turn of the day. I got a text message from Doordash saying, Angela, welcome to Doordash, and I'm on the schedule. I'm having car problems right now, so I'm gonna drop these 2 orders off and schedule out, and then I'll come back later if they don't keep my car, and see if they can fix the car. My husband said that something that's going on with my car right now might be because of a recall, and it might be dangerous. So I'm gonna go take care of that, see how much money it cost me, and yeah. So yeah, 1650 Doordash in 20 minutes. 9:46 and 19:20 Uber Eats from 11 to 12:20. I had Roadie 14:21 at 10. Nothing from 10:30 to 11. And then I did about 60 with Uber Eats from 6:30 to 9:30. So I'm at about, I think I'm at about 400 for the week so far. 270 yesterday, and the rest was today. And like I said, I'm gonna go get that done. Mixed feelings right now, you know. So okay, yeah. Anyway, I didn't have to pay to get out of jail, and I got released on my own recognizance, and all that. Okay. Bye.